Hey y'all, I'm Chris and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today we're in the Walmart parking lot because I have an order to pick up because Walmart said we could do Thanksgiving dinner for $40. So I'm going to use the link that they sent me and we're going to see if we can make Thanksgiving happen for 10 people is their claim for $40. So stick around. Let's see if we can make this happen. Okay, so I've got the email pulled up. And it claims that Thanksgiving dinner for under $4 a person. Get all your needs to feed 10 people. Disclaimer, listed prices, featured items, woo, 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 okay? And then it tells you that these prices are valid October to December 26th. So there's 15 items. So it's a turkey, cranberries, potatoes, brown gravy mix, corn, carrots, green beans, cream of mushroom soup, fried crispy onions, mac and cheese, stovetop or stuffing, bread, pie crusts, pumpkin, and evaporated milk. So those items, how many items is that? 15 specific items, obviously multiple items. You're not gonna get one can of corn for 10 people. I think it's 3. So that's the list. So I went and tried to pick this up. Now, I will tell you, I think they forgot stuff. I think they forgot milk, eggs, and butter. Because that pumpkin pie needs eggs and it needs milk. And then some of these other recipes, y'all, I am not cooking corn without butter, sorry. So, and the turkey needs butter. So I went ahead and picked up all of those items. I already had milk at the house that we need to drink, so you won't see milk in this haul. You'll see an extra butter instead. But I went ahead and mathed it out because we've got some items that are name brand, like I wouldn't buy this normally. But I just hit the button and it pushed everything down into the order. And I should have looked because I would have switched a couple items out to make this even cheaper than what I paid. So what I paid was, let me go get my papers and I'll tell you what I paid. Okay, I found my math. What I paid for this haul was $48.51. Okay, these are the 2 that I added, a dozen eggs and 2 things of butter. I could probably get rid of a butter and add a milk. That's probably what I should have done. And I'll update the totals. I'm gonna remove this butter and add a half a gallon of milk and we'll update the total. A 2-pound bag of baby carrots, bag of cranberries. We have a frozen turkey and this is a 12-pound turkey at 88 cents a pound. So it was $10. We've got the Kinder crispy onions. I would have switched these out. This is a great size bag. That's why I didn't switch it out. But I would switch this out to the generic Great Value brand, and that'll save some money too. We got 3 cans of green beans. Same thing with this Campbell soup. I would have switched it out to Great Value. Brown gravy mix, 3 cans of corn, pumpkin and evaporated milk. These are awesome. I didn't even know they made these. 3 things of Italian, 5 cheese, mac and cheese, stuffing, rolls, potatoes, and a couple pie shells. All right, y'all, Walmart did pretty good. Right now, here's the price that I have it at. I have substituted butter for a half a gallon of milk, and then I took all the taxes out. So we are at $45.70. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch out cream of mushroom soup, Campbell's with generic, and then French fried onions with generic, and let's see what that does. All right, y'all, I've got it down as low as I possibly can. I have switched out for Great Value, cream mushroom soup, and French fried onions, and I can get this down to $44.37. So Walmart, 40 bucks, because they're claiming you can do 10 meals for $4 a meal. Where I'm at, because I'm adding eggs, milk, and butter, because they didn't add that in their list. I'm upping it to $4.44 a meal of a plate. So $44.37. So I don't think that's terrible. But 40 bucks, that's a hard claim because they forgot eggs, milk, and butter. So we did add 3 ingredients for $4.37. So I don't think that's bad at all. So if you'd like to see how I'm gonna prepare all this, and like I said, I think this will feed 10. It's not gonna be like lay on the couch and undo your button on your pants full. But would it feed 10? I think so. I think so. So if you'd like to see me prepare all this stuff, comment below. Yes, please, sign me up, and we'll prepare all this and see if it does feed 10 people. So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video, bye y'all.